Welcome back, everyone. This is a special video to teach you guys how to use this little device right here. This is called a capo. And what this allows you to do is to move the chords up. The tone of the chords, the pitch of the chords, you move it up. So when I am playing a song, let's just say, this is a song I know well, so I'm going to play this song, Riptide, okay? It goes like this. Lady running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I want to be your left-hand man. Okay, if I have these chords and these words down in the melody, that is a little bit low for my voice. When I sing, that's a little lady running down to the riptide, taken away. That feels a little bit low for my voice, that I have to strain to hit those notes. So instead, what I can do is I can take this capo, and I have the same shapes. Now remember, this is like, to play an A minor, it's 2 frets forward off of the top. Okay, so onto the very top. Now, if I take this capo and I put it onto the 3rd fret, okay, just like this. Now, I've moved up those chords and all of those notes. So then when I sing, it's higher and it might match my voice a little bit more. So let's try it. Let's go like this. I'm playing the same shapes. But now when I sing it, lady running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side, I want to be your left-hand man. It's a little bit higher. It matches my voice a little bit more. So if you're playing the ukulele and you've learned the 4 main ukulele chords, that's A minor, F, C, G. If you've learned those chords, but when you're singing songs with those chords, it feels a little bit low for your voice when you're trying to sing, you can use this capo to move those notes up so that you sing a little bit higher. So what I would suggest is learn to play a song. It could be any song, okay? If you go, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. It's just another great song. It's called Count on You. Now watch, if I take this capo, now that for me to go 1, 2, 3 was really low. So instead, I can use this capo and I can move this up. I'm going to put it on the 4th fret this time. Why not? Okay. And I'm going to now play that same thing. I'm going to put it in the middle of the fret. Okay. And now I've moved this 4 notes up. Okay. So now when I play this, I'm using the same shapes, but now the neck of the guitar stops right here. Does that make sense? Okay. So if I play that, now when I sing this song, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Now that's still a little bit low. So watch this, I just move it up. Okay, now this. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. That just moves it up more and more. It might match your voice a little bit better if you use a capo when you're playing your ukulele. So that's how you use a capo. Everybody in the GCF program should get a capo with their ukuleles as well. And so if you have your capo, go ahead, put it on there, try to play different songs with it and see if it matches your voice a little bit better. All right? Great job.